Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. Today I made around $500 trading the NASDAQ. And let's just go back through price so I can run you guys through what I was really thinking coming into market open. And then since I took this trade on TradingView, which sometimes I switch back and forth, I will show you guys the executions. So coming into market open, we were respecting yesterday. We respected this 4-hour bearish for value gap, and then today, we continue to respect this 4-hour order block that we had right here. And then if we scale down to the 1 hour, we were respecting this 1 hour bearish for value gap, and then we also had this 1 hour change in the state that we tapped back into in the overnight session, and immediately displaced right through it or off of it. So coming into pre-market, I can notice two things. We're respecting bearish order flow and we're disrespecting bullish order flow. So what did I want to see coming into market open? I wanted to see these lows from yesterday be the draw, and then possibly all this, not all of it, but this low resistance liquidity then become the draw on the higher time frame. So wanted to see this low possibly be the draw coming into market open. So at market open, what I wanted to see originally is I wanted to see market come up, take out London high on ES, and put in a bearish SMT on NQ to then go lower and take out yesterday's low and then go lower. So that's what I want to see coming into market open. But when market opened, we continued to respect this 15-minute bearish for value gap and immediately dumped straight to the draw at market open. So if we kind of replay price here, when market opens, we respect the 15-minute and we dump straight to the draw. Okay, so my first draw is already taken. So at this point, I'm extremely patient. I remain extremely patient as soon as this draw gets taken, because now we have a bullish SMT. ES never ended up taking this low in the morning session. Obviously, it did later on, but at this point in time, ES never took this low. So we had a bullish SMT, so I kind of wanted to see what price wanted to do from here. And we had this 5-minute fair value gap open up. So once this 5-minute fair value gap opened up, I wanted to see us come back, tap into this 5-minute, and see how we would react. And at this point in time, ES pumped all the way up when we came up and we tapped in this 5-minute fair value gap. ES pumped all the way up, and we ended up taking not only this internal high, but all these highs as well. ES came up, took all these highs as well, so we had bearish SMTs, and now we have SMTs on both sides of the market. We have bullish SMTs and we have bearish SMTs. Now, how can we figure out and how can we know which SMTs are valid and which SMTs are not valid, right? What has price been doing not only at the beginning of market open, but pre-market and the overnight session? We've been respecting bearish order flow, right? We respected this 1 hour fair value gap. We respected this 1 hour change. We respected this 15-minute fair value gap as soon as market open, right? That is what have we been doing, and price is overall bearish. So what do I want to see? I am bearish, and I want to see this bearish SMT play out because of the fact that we have been respecting bearish order flow. So we tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap, and I mark out these New York AM lows, and this is what I want to be the draw. So I want to see if there's anything internally that we can target. And once we ran through this fair value gap and ran through this change, I entered short just for a little 1-to-1, and in the next minute, TP was hit. So that was my trade today. Let me show you guys the executions. I usually don't take trades on NQ. I mean, not on NQ, on TradingView, but sometimes I just like to switch around. But, oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's because I'm in replay mode, I think. Where the fuck are they at? Here we go. So here are my executions for today. Yeah, I usually don't take trades on TradingView because I just like to switch around. But I think I might start taking trades on TradingView now just because it is easier. But that was my trade for today. As soon as we took New York AM low, I completely hopped off, and I took my $500. and I got off for the day and I enjoyed the rest of my day. But these past 2 days, I didn't trade yesterday, but today and yesterday when I look back, very efficient price action. These past 2 days, we've had very efficient, clean price action with a lot of volume, which is exactly what we want to see. And it is kind of it's not unique to see because we've had no news. And tomorrow is our first red folder news. So we'll see how that kind of affects the market. But yeah, that is how I made $500 trading the NASDAQ today. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I will catch you guys in the next one.